Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to solve an Igcse moles question. So let's get started. The question says calcium chloride is made by reacting calcium hydroxide with chlorine gas. The equation is right beneath the question, so let's come to the part A. Part A says 8.88 grams of calcium hydroxide and 7200 centimeter cubes of chlorine gas are mixed together. How many moles is 8.88 grams of calcium hydroxide? In this question, I'm going to use this equation. Moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass is equal to 8.88 divided by 74. 74 is the molar mass as it is given, and you have to calculate it using the periodic table, and you'll get 0.12 moles. Part 2 says how many moles of chlorine gas is 7200 centimeter cube? Moles is equal to volume divided by 24. For this, first you have to convert the units. 7200 divided by 1000 into 7.2 decimeter cube. So you'll divide 7.2 divided by 24 is equal to 0.3. You got 0.3 moles of chlorine gas. The next question says, what is the maximum number of moles of calcium chloride that can be made from 8.88 grams of calcium hydroxide and 7200 centimeter cube of chlorine gas? Since it's a ratio question, so you have to go back to the equation, and here we go, we have 6:1, so we will use the smallest value of moles. So the smallest value of moles is 0.12. As we are given both the moles of chlorine gas and calcium hydroxide, we have to use the smaller one. So we divided 0.12 by 6 and we got 0.02, and here we go, we have 0.02 moles of calcium chloride. The fourth part says, what is the maximum mass of calcium chloride that can be made from 8.88 grams of calcium hydroxide and 7200 centimeter cube of chlorine gas? In this question, I'm going to use this equation. Mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So the molar mass is 207. You have to find it out by yourself, and then 0.02 moles from the previous part, you have to multiply it with 207 and you'll get 4.14 grams. And here we go, it's done. The fifth part says the experiment is repeated using different amounts of calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas. The maximum mass of calcium chloride that can be made in the experiment is 4.84 grams. The actual mass of calcium chloride made in experiment is 3.63 grams. Calculate the percentage yield. For calculating the percentage yield, you'll have 3 grams. Calculate the percentage yield. For calculating the percentage yield, you'll have to divide the actual mass by the theoretical mass and then multiply by the 100. So 3.63 is the actual mass, and divided by the 4.84 and multiplied by 100%, we got 75%. That's all.